Hi, good morning, my dear student. Today we are going to discuss your class 12th history. My dear student, what I have seen that you are facing some difficulties in the topic of the trade and transportation of Indus Valley civilization. This is chapter first, brick, beads and bones, topic that art and craft and some other topics that directly related with that point. I hope you have remember when I taught you about the topic, brick, beads and bone. In that topic, I was explained every and each points. But what is your request that you are asking me that, sir, please once again gives us some information regarding the trade and transportation of the Indus economy. So I will try to give you today's class and some information regarding. Okay, let us come. But here I want to tell you, my dear student, as you know that last 2 days or 3 days, we are covering the chapter 2, Kings, Farmers and Town. But it is your request, so that's why I again कि ये मैं आपको फिर से दिए दोबारा इन चीज़ों को लेके आ रहा हूँ. आइए देखते हैं फिर. Harappan economy. My dear, if you remember where I told you, where I was discussed that the Harappan economy was divided into 3 parts और मैंने आपसे 3 पार्ट के बारे में बताया था. मैंने कहा था कि हम ट्रेड को ले लेते हैं. मैंने आपसे कहा कि ट्रेड के अलावा पास्टोरलिज्म को और फिर मैंने कहा आपसे पास्टोरलिज्म के बाद मैंने आपसे कहा था कि एग्रीकल्चर. My dear, you should never forget that in my last class, what I told you, कि this was the main occupation, trade. The whole civilization is called the trade-based civilization. My dear, you should never forget that कि इस इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के इकोनॉमी में ट्रेड एग्रीकल्चर का महत्वपूर्ण योगदान था. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता एक नगरीय संस्कृति पर आधारित सभ्यता थी, एक नगरीय सभ्यता थी. इसलिए सिंधु घाटी में हमें, सिंधु घाटी की अर्थव्यवस्था में हमें इन तीनों चीज साफ साफ दिखाई देती है. मैंने आपसे ये भी कहा था कि सिंधु घाटी की जो नगर है वो नगर या तो बड़े शहर हैं या तो कस्बे हैं. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता में गांव के भी अवशेष प्राप्त होते हैं. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा था, आलमगीरपुर एक छोटा सा गांव था, रोपड़ एक कस्बा था और हड़प्पा और मोहनजोदड़ो एक बड़े शहर थे. तो एक पूरी श्रृंखला इस तरह से दिखाई देती है सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के विस्तार में. My dear, I hope you are getting understand that what I am telling you. If you will mildly observe about the trade and commerce of Harappan civilization, okay, let us come and try to understand that the one by one every points. Okay, trade and commerce. And in the last, I will also give some points and sketch. मैं उन चीज़ों के बारे में भी आपसे चर्चा करूँगा, उन चीज़ों को भी हम देखेंगे. As far as the matter of trade and commerce of the Harappan civilization, in the Harappan civilization, they elaborate the social structure and the standard of the living must have been achieved by a highly developed system of communication and the strong economy. Having seen their social structure, without any hesitation, we can say that their economy was very strong during that time. We have some evidences, archaeological evidences. On the behalf of that, we can say, in this, the intensive agricultural production, surplus agricultural production, and the large scale of the trade, large scale trade played significant roles. In the beginning, trade must have been the internal between one zone and another, and later external trade also developed. My dear, I had already informed you about that, the external trade and internal trade of the Indus Valley civilization. Without any hesitation, we can say that in the starting phases, the internal trade, that was in the proper form. It was connected with the one zone to other zone. But after that time, after some time, the external trade would be started. I show you a seal which is also given in your book, the Lothal, the seal, the rectangular seal. If you will minutely observe, you will see it. The boat and that type of symbol also picturized on there. उस पे बनाई गई है बोट की आकृति. Where what it proved? It proved that it external trade. My dear, this information also given by me in your the previous class. उसमें इन चीजों पे हमने बात की है. Dear, you should also know. You should don't forget that the agricultural productions, industrial raw materials like copper, ores, stones, semi-precious sales, etc. were traded. Besides the raw materials, finished products of the metal, pots and pans, weapon, etc. precious and sense of precious stones, beads, amulets, ornament of gold or silver were also traded to various areas. Copper may have been procured from Khetri mines of Rajasthan, chart blade from Rohari hills of Sindh, carnelian beads from Gujarat and Sindh, and the lead from South India, lapis lazuli from Kashmir and Afghanistan, jade from Central Asia and Iraq, and these type of other things, they were traded from the various places. My dear, I hope you are getting understand कि that was the trading system which was in the proper developed form. My dear, I hope you have to remember. अभी आपको कुछ उसके बारे में याद आ रहा है. My dear, one more thing which I want to tell you, the occurrence of the metal, the occurrence of the mature Harappan seals and other artifacts in the contemporary Mesopotamian civilization, and some of the Mesopotamian and Egyptian objects, Harappan civilization, and the evidence of Mesopotamian documents established that the Harappan had trading relationship with the land. My dear, you should never forget that. The one question, if anyone asks that how can you say that the external trade was in the developed form? How can you say that the Indus Valley civilization graduated from that? So on the basis of that you can say that yes, the evidence which was found in Mesopotamian and Egyptian culture and some other artifacts and tools, pottery which was found in the sites, which proved that they were connected with each other. That evidence proved that. वो चीजें प्रूव करती है. My dear, okay, let us come and try to understand other points. आइए देखते हैं. वाटर रिजर्वायर हो गए, डैम हो गए, सोरतगुई से कैनाल्स हो गई, टेराकोटा प्लग मिला बनावली और चोलिस्तान से, कालीबंगा प्लग फील्ड मिली, टेराकोटा का ही बुल मिला। टेराकोटा का पुल मिला। फिर एक्सेस में बहुत सारे सीड्स लाइक wheat, lentil, pea, gram, mustard, date, cotton, etc. तमाम सारी चीजें और कुछ वाटरमेलन, सब्जियों में कई सारी चीजों के एविडेंस मिले। गेहूं और जौ, बरली यहाँ की मेन एग्रीकल्चर के जो सीड्स से जिनका ये लोग उत्पादन करते थे। तो इनके आधार पे एक नॉर्मल आप एग्रीकल्चर को समझ सकते हैं। माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इट इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द एग्रीकल्चर when you will read your book where clearly given the agriculture technologies. While the prevalence of agriculture is indicated by find of grain, it is more difficult to reconstruct the actual agriculture practices where seeds broadcasts are plug lands. Representation on seal and the terracotta sculpture indicate that the bull was known, and archaeologists extrapolate from this the oxen were used for plugging. Moreover, terracotta models of the plug have been found at sites in the Cholistan and Banawali, Haryana. Archaeologists have also found evidence of plug field Kalibanga, Rajasthan, associated with the early Harappan labels. Each other suggesting that two different crops were grown together. Archaeologists have also tried to identify the tools used for harvesting. Did the Harappans use stone blades set wooden handled, or did they use metal tools? Some other agricultural equipment was found. It was excavated from the different sites. Archaeologists believe that they use the different things for the different purpose in the agriculture practices. कहता है कि उनके पास कुछ उनके पास कुछ ऐसे एविडेंस थे जो हसुआ या जो फसल को काटने के लिए जो हंसिये का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, उसका दांतेदार हंसिये का इस्तेमाल करते थे। ये दांता किससे बनता था? ये हंसिये का दांत, ये जो दांत थे, हंसिये की जो दांत थी, that was made from stone, or it may be possible that they uses the metal. But here, the one more question that has come in mind, that iron that was not used by Indus people, or they were not aware of the iron tools and iron metal, so that's why they uses the bronze or copper metals. But they uses that अपने हंसुओं में दांते का इस्तेमाल करते रहे होंगे, ऐसी आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट की, ऐसी इतिहासकारों की मान्यता है। My dear, without any hesitation, archaeologists have also tried to identify the tools used for harvesting. The wooden handles, what did they use metal tools? This is the sign of interrogation कि क्या होता होगा। ये चीजें आज भी हमारे समझ से परे है। Most Harappan sites are located in semi-arid area. That is the very important thing कि जो भी आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट्स हैं वो कहाँ पे हैं? सेमी एरिड। सेमी एरिड कहने का सेंस ये सिर्फ इतना है ये अर्धनम जलवायु है. My dear, as you know that all the Indus sites situated near a river bank or seashore, their climate is very suitable for agriculture or transportation. I mean to say that trade. तो दो चीजें बड़ी अच्छी थी कि इनके लिए alluvial soil that was available, it was widespread in that areas. They easily plug their fields. The land, it was wet. I mean to say that semi-arid. So the wooden plug or the soft metal plug was used by Indus Valley civilization people. They can easily scratch the earth's surface and grow the seeds and the different seeds, the evidence that was found. That was excavated. तो ये चीजें हमें मिली. My dear, also I inform you about that the Sotgui, that was the place, exceptional place where the canals evidence was found. Canals के evidence हमें मिले. Except it, the important things which you never forget, कि the reservoir found in Dholavira, Gujarat, and many have been used to store water for agriculture. धोलावीरा से हमें रिजर्वायर भी मिले जहां से ये लोग पानी को इकट्ठा करके संरक्षित किया करते रहे होंगे, ऐसी मान्यता है. क्या यूज था इस रिजर्वायर का? We can't say, but it is very clear that the uses for the agriculture purpose or the drinking facilities. पानी पीने के लिए इसका यूज करते रहे होंगे या सिंचाई के लिए इसकी व्यवस्था की जाती है. दो चीजें हैं जिससे ये पानी को स्टोर करते रहे होंगे. Dear student, if you read the agriculture of the Indus Valley civilization, the granaries at some Harappan sites, granaries. अब यहां पे एक पॉइंट और आप जोड़ लीजिए, ग्रेनरीज. ये ग्रेनरीज ये बात प्रूफ करते हैं हड़प्पा से जो मिले. What it proved? It proved that they stored a huge amount of the grains in their granary. They also proved that the surplus production that was available in Indus Valley civilization. So that's why city was merged. It would be merged with the help of surplus production. Granaries given this evidence. The granary is also found in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro, it was situated in the citadel, and Harappa, it was situated in the lower town. So granary proved that they plowed the huge amount of surplus production. जाते थे ये बड़े पैमाने पे लोग. So that's why I am saying the granaries at some Harappan sites clearly suggested that the cereals were produced in the large quantities that not only were all the immediate needs, My dear, this line is very important. This not only were all the immediate needs of the people duly met with, but there was also the enough resolve to face any future problems or emergency. कुछ भविष्य के जो इमरजेंसीज थी उनके लिए ये लोग कुछ चीजों को स्टोर करते रहे होंगे. That is what I am saying. It is very important things. The principal cereals seem to have been wheat and barley, rice, though known was favored grain, 6 varieties of millets, including ragi. आप काउंट करिए, कैरस कह रहा है कि हाउ मेनी टाइप्स द राइस थ्रू नोन वाज द फेवर्ड ग्रेन 6 variety of millets including ragi 6 variety of millets how many varieties कहता है 6 variety of including ragi including रागी रागी उसमें छुड़ा हुआ था 6 प्रकार के दालों का उल्लेख करता है कहता है कि रागी में से एक था कोदो सावा ज्वार वर कल्टिवेटेड एज आल्सो peas and beans remains of rice have been found mainly from Gujarat and Haryana Rangpur and Lothal the two places where the evidence of rice was found two places Rangpur and Lothal, Gujarat and Haryana, where the bran of rice that was found. Rice was the favorite food. I mean to say that कि ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण रहा होगा. Even they like very much wheat. गेहूं ज्यादा पसंद करते थे. Mehergarh, that was the place where first time excavated the wheat and dates, cotton, wheat and dates. तीन चीजों के एविडेंस हमें बड़े पैमाने पर मिले मेहरगढ़ से. फिर अलग अलग जगहों पर कालीबंगा से हमें मस्टर्ड मिले, ग्राम मिले, क्रिस क्रॉस प्लग में. तो ये तमाम सारी फसलों का उपयोग ये करते थे अपने समय में. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हिच यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. The other crops included dates, mustard, fragments of cotton cloths found at Mohenjo-daro and other sites, so that cotton was also grown. Cotton has been found at Mehergarh at least 2000 years before the mature phases of the civilization. This is the oldest evidence of cotton in the world. My dear, it is the very strange matter. In my previous class, I also discussed with you that cotton was the very, very important things for the industrialist civilization and for their trade also. Cotton was famous. Trading goods, it was like very much for the other civilizations people. On the behalf of cotton, this civilization is called Sindhan and then after Indus. Greek called cotton Sindhan. Greek Sindhan कहते हैं. सिंधन से सिंधु बनी, सिंधु से सिंधु सभ्यता का निर्माण हुआ, सिंधु से नदी का नाम रखा गया. It was found in India before 2000 years ago. The place that was Mehergarh, which I also discussed with you. कॉटन भारत में सबसे पहले उगाए जाने वाली फसलों में से एक थी. पूरी दुनिया में सबसे पहले कॉटन की खोज, कॉटन की खेती भारत में शुरू हुई. हमारे पास इसके आर्कियोलॉजिकल एविडेंस है. We have that we are saying that cotton is the oldest crop that was cultivated in India. It was belong from, I mean to say that it was related from the mature Harappan phases. मेच्योर पपीज ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण फसलों में से एक थी. माय डियर, आप कोई चीजें नहीं भूलें. मैंने कई सारे क्रॉप्स के नाम बता दिया आपको. मैंने कॉटन कह दिया, मिलेट्स कह दिया, रागी किया, राइस का, व्हीट का, डेट का. प्लीज ट्राई टू राइट डाउन दिस नेम्स. इट इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू. आपके लिए बड़ा ही यूजफुल होगा. देन आफ्टर agriculture was generally practiced along their river bank, most of which were flooded during the summer and monsoon. The flood deposit every year the fresh alluvial silt which is highly productive and for which no measure furrowing certainly are. No manures and irrigation are required. Dear, what I told you, different times, different way. try to teach you that site situated in the river bank or semi-arid zone where the huge amount of fertile land was available. Alluvial soils was deposited by the different rivers and their, Indus River and the tributaries. And that's result, this area was very productive. It helpful for the Indus Valley civilizations, people to grow the huge amount of surplus production. बड़े पैमाने पे ये लोग उनका डिपॉजिट करना, बड़े पैमाने पे उन चीज़ों को एकत्रित करना और फिर उनकी सहायता से ये लोग अपने फसल को एक जगह कलेक्ट करते थे. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग द ग्रेनरीज अवेलेबल इन इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. ग्रेनरीज अन्न के गोदाम उपलब्ध थे. अन्न के गोदाम जो उपलब्ध थे वो ये प्रूव करते हैं. आई मीन टू से दैट ग्रेनरी प्रूव दैट the surplus production was in huge amount during that time. They also aware of the emergency. It may be कि in future they had to face. ग्रेनरी बनाने के क्या प्रयोजन रहे होंगे? What was the thoughts of that type of people? I mean to Indus people. Why they made the granaries? What was the reason behind that? Maybe some historians believe that it was used for the trading purpose. But some other historians believe that no, it was used for the future problems also. They were aware of that, the different type of natural disasters. And they stored the grains, surplus grains. और इन लोगों ने इन चीजों को किया, इकट्ठा किया, ग्रेनरी बनाई. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. आप सोचिए, यू कैन एज्यूम, यू कैन थिंक दैट, यू कैन इमेजिन दैट कि बिफोर 5000 years ago, the people, they were aware of the natural disaster and their problem, the scarcity, the vulnerability of the crisis of the foods. So that's why they made the granaries. उन्होंने इसका प्रयोग किया, उन्होंने इसका इस्तेमाल किया. My dear, this is what I'm saying. For tillage, for tilling fields, wooden plug with copper, wooden plugs here was used. Terracotta model of the plug have been found Mohenjo-daro, Banawali, Cholistan. Harvesting of crops would have been done with copper sickles, as well as stone blades hafted in wood. The range of animals. अब थर्ड पॉइंट, हमारा सेकंड पॉइंट पास्टोरलिज्म की बात करेंगे हम इसके साथ ही. तो अभी ये तो था एक जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन एग्रीकल्चर की. माय डियर, आई एम अगेन गोइंग टू समराइज द एग्रीकल्चर of Indus Valley civilization. When you will start, you will frame this answer that agriculture technologies in Indus Valley civilization or agriculture and agriculture technologies, you have to store some information in your mind. What information? First, the things, the evidence which was excavated from the different sites of the Indus Valley civilization. On the basis of that, you can try to write the answer, the agriculture and agriculture technologies of the Harappan civilizations people. First, you have to explain agriculture वहां के लोग करते थे. इकोनॉमी में एग्रीकल्चर का महत्वपूर्ण रोल था. आप लिखेंगे होल द साइट्स. It was situated in the semi-arid zone. Many more sites situated near river bank. Plug field evidence was found from the Kalibanga. Kalibanga, the place where the plug field, crisscross field was found. Banawali, Cholistan and Mohenjo-daro, that was the place where The terracotta plug was also excavated. Terracotta bull, according to some archaeologists, की वो भी मिले. Even the dam, reservoir, water reservoir, canals, and then after you have to explain about the different sheets. After all, having mentioned these points, you have to explain that whole land was very fertile. The alluvial soil was deposited by the different river. That area was very vast. There is no need to explain it. I told you that from east to west it was 1600 square kilometer, and from north to south it was 1400 square kilometer. It was a very vast area. 12,99,000 something. Nowadays 15 lakh square kilometer that area was expanded. तो आप ये लिख सकते हैं. माय डियर, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि अब एग्रीकल्चर के बाद अगर हम बात करेंगे तो सेकेंड पॉइंट हमारा होगा पास्टोरलिज्म. एग्रीकल्चर एंड पास्टोरलिज्म दे आर पार्ट, दे आर कनेक्टेड ईच अदर. दोनों एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. आप जब भी एग्रीकल्चर को एक्सप्लेन करें तो हमेशा इस चीज को याद रखें कि हमें इसके साथ किसको कनेक्ट करना है, पास्टोरलिज्म को कनेक्ट करना है. In the starting phase, industrialist civilizations, people, they were fruit gatherers. The different animals, evidences was found there. If you have remembered the seal of Mohenjo-daro, which was recognized as a Proto-Siva seal by John Marshall, how many animals that was shown on that seal? माय डियर, एनिमल में अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो राइनो, पैंथर, टाइगर, एलिफेंट, बुफेलो, डियर एंड सम स्नेक्स that was sitting on yogi postures, savans, and around these animals mentioned. Except it, the bone of gharials, the various fish, the camel's bone also found in Kalibanga. As गधों के साक्ष्य भी मिले, गधों की हड्डियां भी प्राप्त हुई. इसके अलावा कौवा, फाख्ता, हाजा पक्षियों की बात भी क्लियरली मेंशन है. तो ये चीजें भी वहां से प्राप्त हो रही हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. वी विल डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक, दिस पॉइंट इन प्रीवियस क्लास, एंड वी विल ट्राई टू अगेन डिस्कस दिस पॉइंट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑल्सो. द वेरियस video that has uploaded by RB Public School, you have to watch that, and we will try to keep information regarding. हम इसके बारे में आपको और भी सूचनाएं देंगे, इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. फिर मिलेंगे. गुड बाय.